Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video from AppHacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can fix your account cannot be created error. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is check your internet connection. Go to your settings, or you can simply go to your control center and just simply make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi. Make sure that your internet is working too. You can simply turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi. After doing that, if it still does not work, you can turn on and turn off your airplane mode too. After you turn on and turn off your airplane mode, if you still can't create your Apple ID account, go to your settings and check for your software update. Go to General, go to Software Update, and if there is any software update available, update your software. Now, after doing all that, go back, and if it still does not work, what you'll want to do is go to your General again. Scroll down, check if your phone is connected to a VPN. Make sure that it's not. If it is, just turn it off and go to transfer reset iPhone and reset your iPhone. Reset all of the settings and make sure you can create an account. And this will basically fix your problem, guys. And that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay